Hey all, you might have seen this fading away scene in Marvel and many other movies. It is called dispersion or disintegration effect, and in this video we will be creating it on an image in Photoshop. With all required images already imported in Photoshop, let's get started. I'll put the links of all assets used in this video in description. First, let's make sure our subject or model has no background, which I have already done it to quickly move forward. For the background, we will be using this cinematic image on which let's apply some Gaussian blur so that it supports our model but focus remains on our model. Now, to create this effect, we will need this Dispersion Effect brushes. So, check the descriptions for the link to download it. I'll be using this brush created by Jesus Ramirez. Let's create a layer mask on our model layer. Select the brush tool and with black foreground color selected, paint on the edges of the model. It will create this effect such as the model's particles are disappearing. Aim that the borders of the model should not be visible. If you are using any other dispersion brushes, make sure to keep changing the size of the brush with bracket keys and also rotate it using arrow keys to create a random and different brush strokes. Now create a new layer below the model layer and with dark brown color selected, paint alongside the edges which creates the dust effect. As you know the quote that at last everything turns to dust. We can also change the flow to make the brush strokes look different. And now create a new layer above the model layer and by holding Alt or Option key, select a color around any part of the border of the model and then paint around that part with that color, which creates the effect of fading particles just leaving the body of the model. Try to paint the strokes in to out and to get the motion feel. We can rename these layers in case we need to make changes later. We can create multiple layers and paint them with different shades of brown to fine tune our effect. Also, we can use one of these cloud brushes, change their color to brown and paint in front of the model to enhance our dust effect. Let's add a levels adjustment layer, clip it to background image and make it a little darker to match the vibe of our concept. Also, we can add a camera raw filter to enhance the overall composition. And that's it. I know you enjoyed this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are in description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.